Imagine effortlessly controlling your home's energy consumption with just a tap on your smartphone. Smart plugs have revolutionized how we interact with our appliances, allowing for remote operation and tailored schedules that align with our daily routines. No longer do we need to worry about whether we left the lights on or if the coffee maker is still running. The power is truly in our hands. With a few simple steps, you can transform any regular appliance into a smart device, ensuring they only operate when needed, helping to reduce unnecessary energy expenses. Monitoring energy usage is one of the standout features of smart plugs. Certain models are equipped with monitoring capabilities, providing real-time feedback on the energy consumption of each connected device. This insight allows you to identify energy-hungry appliances, giving you the power to make informed decisions about your energy usage. With this knowledge, users can initiate energy-saving practices by replacing outdated appliances or simply altering usage habits, leading to long-term savings. Standby power, the energy used by appliances even when turned off, can significantly inflate monthly energy bills. Smart plugs act as a barrier, minimizing this standby consumption. By completely powering down devices such as televisions, routers, and coffee machines when they are not in use. By eliminating wasted energy, you are not only saving money but also contributing to a more sustainable environment. It's a small switch with a massive impact, ensuring that your money isn't slipping away on devices that are doing nothing. Incorporating smart plugs into your home can be an efficient and straightforward upgrade for anyone wanting to enhance their energy savings. These devices are compact and affordable, making them an accessible option for both tech enthusiasts and novices alike. And for those looking to dive deeper into the realm of smart home technology, reaching out to professionals can help you create a customized, high-tech solution tailored to your household's needs. Embrace the proactive lifestyle that comes with smart plugs and experience the financial relief and energy efficiency they offer.